Let's practice Tiger Qigong from the 5 elements set. Take some moment to feeling your center, to feeling your posture, to calm your mind and connect with your body. Place your mapu stance, your horse stance. My recommendation to learn Qigong is in the first stage or repetition. Just copy, follow the movements, follow the sequence, and that's all. Inhale deep through your nose, relax chest and shoulder. Exhale, go forward. Make your tiger claw and rotate from your wrist and open your shoulder joint. Inhale, go back, deep and gentle. Keep it there for some seconds, relax your chest, and exhale, go behind you from the tricep line, and again go forward, inhale, and bend your elbow and wrist maximum, and open. When you finish 3 or 4 repetitions, inhale, go up, extend your legs, relax, and exhale, go down, the palms facing the earth. Go back to your primary stance, keep the shape, close your eyes, and breathe normally into your lower dantian.